how do you see it in your business? I mean, your company, how your company works. How do you see the change to the program? So 30 seconds for everybody.
I think as a consulting industry side, we see increased business. I mean, we're class ones, we see as they grow, you know, their needs are going to grow, and we can help out.
We see it in demand for locomotives, refurbishment services, spare parts, components, equipment, training, development.
I think we see it from a global point of view, where we're not just a little North American conglomerate of railroads. There's a railroad network worldwide, and it's a tremendous opportunity to start merging some of those technologies and making it work everywhere. And there's a tremendous opportunity for North America, I think, here in the railroad industry.
We see growth, I think, in just the infrastructure of the railroad, because it has been diminishing. Some of the facilities needed upgrade. A lot of the facilities need upgrade, and there's a lot of opportunities to upgrade those facilities so they can better handle the increased loads on the rail system.
Yeah, exactly what you said. The traffic is in all likelihood going to continue to increase. We've seen just through the economic changes in the last couple of years, the class one railroads have remained profitable, continuing to generate substantial cash, and continuing to make continuing to grow their actual levels of capital investment all through this period, which is just amazing. And it's all about capacity for additional traffic, continuing to shorten the run times for runs, and continuing to do it at lower costs is what it's all about, to continue to divert traffic.
Say organization, planning, and innovation, developing new processes, new machines, new technologies to help speed things up. When the railroads were declining, you know, all those years, you still had hundreds of guys to maintain track, run. Train crews have gone from 5 people down to 2 people. Nowadays, you're trying to do so much more with so much less. And obviously, machines have helped that out quite a bit. But where you used to have 100 guys to maintain 100 miles of track, now you've got 10 guys. So organizing and planning out is going to be big for the future.
You know, I see our business has been growing steadily for the past few years with the maintenance of way, with the increased traffic, more traffic on the rails. You know, there's going to be a growing need for the rails to be ground, all of our services to be utilized by the railroads. So we have been growing, and we're going to project it to keep growing for the next, I think, at least 3 years of projections.
I think it shows a lot that despite us being in a recession, we're still investing this huge amount of capital dollars into new track, new bridges, new signaling systems. Shows a definite trend toward increased traffic later on.
In our company, you've seen a lot of business driven by mineral mining, and a lot of new proposed and revived mines throughout Canada and the U.S., where a lot of our business is coming from.
Of all the things we do in one business class, it's stayed extremely busy, and we've continued hiring. It's been rail and transit. And we're expanding our services rather than just track and bridges, right-of-way facilities, the economic analysis, and someone else mentioned the worldwide market. We just last week got our first project in Australia. We're really excited about that. So.
One thing I'd like to point out is just adapt. I mean, we are a transportation company. We provide a service for the customer. So basically, you're looking out and you're seeing what the customer's needs are, whether you're constructing a spur line to get in their facility or offering more days of service. It's finding out what the customer needs, and then also what's in their best interest to carry their good from point A to point B. And then another hindsight of things, this technology is ever improving. I mean, there's always going to be more and more need for more educated people. I mean, with ever increasing changing materials, locomotives, whatever you can think of in the rail industry, there's going to be a lot of knowledge involved to improve more efficient and better ways.